Hey guys, this is Shah here at the Tech Borg, and today I'm just going to be doing about defined functions and how we can use them to make our lives easier and yeah, it's just really simple to use. So I'm going to be running through how to use defined functions. So there we go. Now how to use defined functions, well, it's simple. Just do def. Then you want to write the name of your defined function. So what function are you defining? So let's just do conversion, imagine, colon, and then next space. Then over here we want to type what we want to do. So let's just say we want the program to simply just print something like hello world. As you can see that we've written hello world, and we're just going to save this quickly. Save. I'm just giving a random name and then run it. There we go. So it ran, but nothing's going to happen because we still haven't given the instruction for the system to launch the defined function. So if we just do conversion, that, and now it should launch it and it should write hello world. There we go. It writes hello world. So the function, the purpose of a function is to make your life easier by doing large loops or large iterations in a single function. So, and I can express this through certain inputs that you can do. So over here within the parentheses you can have let's say alpha. Let's call it alpha, and then you can have input. So the value of alpha is entered in when you call the function. So wait 1 minute. So if we do let's say print and then it is, and then you want to write the value of alpha, it's going to output the value that you entered into the parentheses originally. So if you do that 0 and then save it and run it, should give it is 0. So as you can see, it shows it is 0. So we can use these parentheses, so brackets, to put place values into the define function, which can be used throughout the program. And you can do repetitions more easily. Rather than repeating this line of code 10 times, you can repeat this 10 times, and as you can see, the program will be significantly shorter. So if we were having a longer piece of code, like let's say we wanted it to say print alpha like 20 times, the same thing. So I'm just doing this randomly. So if it was a normal code, you'd have to keep on doing this again and again for the different numbers. But now your life is easier. Now you just have to do conversion, bracket, and give any number 5, and then now it's going to output it that many times. As you can see, it makes your life much easier. So it's better than, let's say, writing something like this. So I'm just going to copy print it is, and let's say you write the number in manually like 3, but the thing is you're gonna have to copy this code again and again, and it won't print out as much as this would, because in this one, to print out more, you just retype the same code again. Conversion 5, and if you compare it to this one, then it's clearly a lot more. The 8 is 5 one, so let's compare it. See, 8 is 5 spans all these, whereas 8 is 3 only spans these. And within just this simple line of code, you're able to output this many compared to all this line of code, where you can only output 6 values, as we've done print 6 times. And so it's quite a simple concept. And if you would like an example, I will be putting up another video for defined functions. And as you can see, they are quite simple to understand, but the concept that we can use to make lists and strings and certain values can be pretty tough. So I'm going to do a complex version of a similar program to emphasize how to make a good function that does its task efficiently rather than having it to loop like 1,000 times. So thank you for watching this video. Like, comment and subscribe.